Welcome to the Selah episode of the Christian Men at Work podcast. We're in between my interviews with Christian men. I talk about 5 things. S is something on my heart. E is an example of faith at work. L is logos, or a passage from Scripture related to work. A is an announcement. And H is a handy tip to help you be more effective at your work. Men at Work, welcome to episode 202, which is Selah episode 100. I'd like to share with you 2 ways that you can win at work. A mentor of mine recently called himself a recovering narcissist, which is something I can relate to. And he shared with me that one of the ways he knows he's winning in his battle against being a narcissist is that if he can walk away from a conversation he just had with someone and they don't know anything about him. And I thought that was really good because it gets you out of thinking about yourself and talking about yourself and focusing on the other person. And it got me thinking how that could easily be applied at work as well, but I wanted to add something to that. So here's the second way that you can win at work. And what got me thinking about this is a lot of times we talk about how we measure how we're doing at work, both in terms of what we do and how we do it. In other words, we want to excel at the work we do, and we want to also excel in the relationships we have at work. And that's actually how most organizations measure performance of their employees, what they do in terms of their work and how they go about doing it. So here's my litmus test for whether you're winning at work that I just thought of. If you can walk away with a conversation you had with a person at work, regardless of what form that communication takes, whether it's in person, on the phone, email, instant message, what have you, if you feel like the person walked away from that conversation knowing 2 things. First, they knew what they needed from you in order to do their job correctly or as good as they can. And then the second thing that they would know is that you cared about them. If you can end your workday and know that you had at least one conversation with someone where they walked away with those 2 things, then you just had a great day at work. And if someone asks you how your day was, you can say confidently, I had a great day, just based on that. Well, that's all I have to share this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I love you. God bless you.